Hey everybody, this is Trey with Falcon and this will be the administrative address for Monday, August 23rd, 2021. First things first, I'm sorry that I have been gone for quite a while. I've had a lot of training to do at my actual job, therefore I have not been as available as I would like to be. However, things have died down quite a bit, so I'll be able to post for the next couple of months or so. So stay tuned for that. The website itself, blackfalconelectronics.com, has been updated. We now have a store where you can buy Sparrow programming kits as well as a car tracker. Now, I have been making adjustments on the car tracker. First, I tried to have it so that the car tracker was tied to the car battery, had issues with that. So I'm going to try something a little different. Now, the cost is going to be a lot less than what it is right now. Just stay tuned for Project Eagle Eye. That's the name of the GPS car tracker project. It's going to be a lot less than 120 bucks. Just bear with me. That was the initial how much it would cost, but I've been able to get a couple things, do a couple of things differently so I can lower the price. Now, the GPS tracker is something that you can use for your own personal use for your own personally owned vehicle or POV, so that you can know where it is and where it has been if you have someone borrowing your car, for example. And by doing that and uploading the information, the GPS coordinates on a website, you can then see on a physical map where the car has been the entirety that you have put it on and activated it. So the Eagle Eye unit is currently not being used right now, at least the GPS portion of it, so I can revamp it. However, I do have the receiver for Project Eagle Eye, and I'll show you it right now. So mind you, the Eagle Eye transmitter slash receiver is looking a little ghetto right now. The reason why it looks as it does is because I prefer the naked version of it. So this is how it looks. This is it. It is not a bomb, obviously. What it is it has a radio to transceive, so transmit and receive. It has an SD card unit here to save the received data. And it also has a switch to turn it on and off. And it also has a couple buttons as well as a battery with associated charger. Sorry if you see the camera shifting. It's my dog Atlas right now. He's snuggling up to the camera for whatever reason. Atlas, come here. Come here. This is Atlas. He's still a puppy. He's a big boy. Atlas. Yeah. All right, get down. He's a good boy, but he's a snuggly bug. So sorry if you see the camera shifting every now and again. Sit. Good boy, Eddie. Oh, that's a good boy. Yeah. Sit. Good boy. All right. So back to this. So what it does is once you turn it on, okay, you see. Oh, Atlas, stop, buddy. Hold on. You know, I'm going to include this in the main video because it's kind of cute. Whatever. So what it does is it has two buttons here, two red buttons, as you can see right here. So every time, turn the light off, every time this top button is pressed, it changes the color of the LED. When you press this bottom button here, it simulates data being transferred. So what I'm going to do is have it so that each color, the RGB, so red, blue, green, every time a button is pressed, and you see a different color, that'll be a different setting that is activated. And then when you press the button, that'll simulate a data transfer. So like I said, I just have it with the ghetto version right now because I want to see how it looks as the data is being transferred and whatnot. So again, this isn't a bomb, even though I've gotten many comments of people saying it's a bomb. But no, it's not a bomb. It's just a GPS transceiver. Man, well, I feel like he does this on purpose. He knows it's there, so he's like, I'm just going to bump into it as much as possible. But in any case, cute dog, love him to death. But it also has charging capabilities, so when the battery does die, you can just disconnect this bullet connector here. And there's an associated 12-volt switch that comes with it, switching power supply. And when you connect the connectors on the 12-volt power supply to these 2 connectors that will charge the battery. Of course, making sure that you you disconnect the power via this rocker switch. So you turn it off and then you can go ahead and charge it. And it already is set for charging the battery safely. And then once it's done, then you can disconnect it from the charging circuit and repower it as needed. Okay? So that's the first project, Project Eagle Eye. Now, I also have another project that I have been working on, and it's Project RCAT. Project RCAT is a remote canine automated tracker, and I'll go get that for you guys so you can see that as well. All right, so Project RCAT is not complete. I still need to make the receiver for it. So what this is as you already can tell from the name, it's a remote canine automated tracker. So what would happen is this is the transmitter, as you can see here, and it has the GPS sensor, has an LED as well as an SD card and a radio here. And this will be on my dog. So I'm using it so that I can go hiking. This will not be up for sale. Honestly, I think there are better options out there. But for me, this will be Project RCAT. I'm going to have it attached to my dog on his harness. And and if he ends up going missing for whatever reason, he runs off in the woods or whatnot, I can actually use the receiver that I have not built yet. I can actually use the receiver to figure out where he is via GPS location. So by doing that, that allows me to find out where he's at and then go get him. Now, I still have a compass that's on the way for Project RCAT, but that'll be coming very soon. That compass. So with that compass, my dog Atlas, he will have a compass on him, and I will have a compass on my handheld receiver. And what that'll do is, if I were to orient myself so that I point true north, east, south, or west, I could then use the GPS coordinates from Atlas to know where he is in relation to me, because I am facing the true north, east, south, or west direction. So, if I'm in one spot and let's say his longitude and latitude are greater than me, like his GPS location is greater than my GPS location, then from there I would know that if I'm facing true north and his GPS values are higher than mine, then I know that he's farther up from me, like his longitude is forward of me, and that his latitude is to the east of me, because in order from where I am, if the longitude and latitude are both more positive than where I am, then if I'm facing true north, the only way that could be is if he's further ahead of me and to the east. I was about to say to the west, but to the east. And then, of course, if the values are less than, more than, what have you, I could then compare it from my location and know exactly where he is and then go get him. A good thing with the RCAT is that it also has an SD card, so I can see his movement history. So that's going to be a really good project. I'm really excited about that. That is going to be awesome, because it'll be a project that I actively use in the field as me and Atlas go hiking. So beyond Project RCAT, I still have Project Aura, or my automated unmanned reconnaissance airplane. I know I have been working on that project for a long time, and I have not made any updates after part 2, which will be linked in the description below. But I've been having, like I said, a lot of training I've had to do, but I will be updating it. I've actually ordered a couple more planes because I'm going to try and take it out for a flight, and hopefully everything's good. I'm going to do the automated version as well, so that it has automated startup. I'm really excited for that. We'll see what happens with it, but I will have a post for that within the next 2 to 3 weeks from now. So please be patient with that. Now, if you guys are interested in supporting Black Falcon Electronics and supporting me in my efforts to teach programming, to make more programming videos, to be able to buy more products to then show you guys, please consider supporting me by buying Sparrow programming kits. I do intend to add more kits, such as a Hawk and a Falcon Sparrow, Falcon and a Hawk programming kit. But it's just, I want to gauge the interest right now. It's only $60, and it comes with free shipping as well, anywhere within the 50 states as well as Canada. Free shipping. and it comes with different challenges. It goes in depth and does more than just teach you how to program, but it also, when it teaches you something, you do something. So it's more than just someone lecturing and throwing words at you. You actually do the work as well, and it's going to be lifetime access. When you order the kit and receive it subsequently, it has a password to a download file that has all the tutorials for you to understand the basics of programming, the Arduino Nano microcontroller, and it's lifetime access. So no matter how many updates I do, whether it's now, 6 months from now, or 6 years from now, you will still have free access to those tutorial files in perpetuity. So if you want to see any updates regarding those projects or the many other projects that I work on, please like, share, subscribe here on YouTube. And you can also check me out on Facebook, on Instagram, and on my website. All are Black Falcon Electronics, and in the case of the website is blackfalconelectronics.com. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, share with your friends, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a blessed day and have a very blessed weekend. See ya. Are they on? Okay. All right, guys. So now that everyone's gone, I just want to let you guys know I'm actually going to be updating the store. So I know I have my Falcon programming kits, which is great. But my question to you guys who have stayed to watch till the end, are you guys interested if I were to make more things available? Not just the spare programming kits. If I had more items for sale, such as boost converters, buck converters, Arduino Nano microcontrollers, capacitors, different radios, ESCs, electronic speed controllers, for those of you not to know, some drones, would you guys be interested in that? I want to do more. I want to expand the shop more so that it is more geared towards like everyday programmers. Like I said, because right now I only have a couple things. But if I had these units available, like, at the sensor level, at the individual component level, would you guys be interested? That's my curious question of the day. If you would be, let me know. If you wouldn't be interested, let me know as well. I need that feedback because, I have no problems if everyone's interested, if enough people are interested to drop good money so I can get these items. Now, they're not going to be like how you see it on Amazon where it's like super expensive. It's not going to be super expensive. It's going to be relatively cheap, like not ungodly cheap, but reasonably priced. That's my biggest thing. I want to have reasonably priced products, but I need to know if there's going to be people purchasing it, people interested in it. I see some items that are for sale for like $10, $20, $30, but I know from what I got going on that I could get it for a lot cheaper. I could get it for like half the price or like 20% less, what have you. So if you guys would be interested, let me know down below or hit me up on any of my social media. Let me know how you feel about it, and then we'll take it from there. But thanks for staying to the end. I really do appreciate it. And if you guys are interested, and if you guys comment below, if I do end up getting everything situated, I'll give you a coupon for 10% off on top of the already cheaper price. So let me know, okay, guys? See ya. Much love.